Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of radio buttons. The input type of radio defines a radio button. Radio buttons let a user select one of a limited number of choices. For example, a form with radio buttons, choose your favorite web language. So like this one right here, we are having the input type of radio button. So I'm going to show you how all this works now. Let's copy all this. Let's take this to our document we are having. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial. You can check our playlist on HTML forms to know more about all this one. Now let me remove it and place the code I copied earlier and reload our document. Let's see how it looks. Can you see how our document looks? We can select something here, select something here, because we are using input type of radio button. So I'm going to show you how this works in details now. Let me remove all this and let's bring this back. Let's What do we need right here? We need input, and we need input type of what? Inside this type attribute right here, we need radio. So we are going to specify radio. When we specify radio, let me reload my document. Can you see we are having this button right here? Can you see we are having, when you click it, it's going to do something. So right here, now let's say for instance, now don't forget in our previous tutorial we have discussed about the label also. So now I'm going to write this right here, but don't let me confuse you guys here. Sorry, don't let me confuse you guys here, because we are talking about the input type of radio right here. So if you have to use that radio button, this is what you are going to specify. So if you have to use it, this is what you are going to specify, and you can just and you can do more, and we can place our label. Sorry, yes, we can place our label, because this one we can just write like uh click pick one. We can say pick one, just pick one. Let's just write something here so you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's break this one also, so you can break to the top, from the top to the bottom. Can you see? You can have multiple input type of radio button like this. You can have it like this. Sorry, you can have this. You can have this like this. You can have and so on and so forth. You can have as many as we want. As you can see, you can pick as we want. You understand what I'm talking about? This is the input type of what radio button for you. And also we have a lot of things we can do with this. So in the next future tutorial, I'm still going to discuss about how you can use this thing in an advanced way, more than you ever thought before. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.